Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to get this SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here on the right edge of your device. So what you have to do is to put your device in the hole next to this slot, and it will come out. And here you have to put your SD card, and next to it your SIM card, and then put it back to your device. And as you can see, it requires PIN, which is the proof that SIM card is read. Let's enter PIN. And there's also a notification that SD card is connected, which is the proof that SD card is read too. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.